Good morning, everyone. Welcome to DevOps Linux AWS with AI session. Yesterday, we created one sequence of pipeline. Okay. So Jenkins pipeline we have created. This is the thing we have achieved yesterday. Like we have created one GitHub account we already have, and EC2 account, and two different servers in means same Tomcat server, but in two different machines. That is, this is one EC2 machine where the port number is 8081 and the another port number is 8082. And we have third machine where our EC2 instance is there. So what we have seen yesterday, what we did practically, that we have one dev job. The dev job responsibility is to take the code. The dev job responsibility is to take the code from one branch, that is dev branch. Once it will be triggered, then it is going to deploy the code into dev server. Similarly, what is the role of this QA server? The role of this QA server is to get the code from QA, QA GitHub, and when it will be triggered, it will deploy the code into 8082. So this is what we have. This job is meant for. But sequence of pipeline means we have created one pipeline. For this pipeline, we install one build plugin pipeline. First, to achieve this, first what we need to add, one plugin we need to add that we have done yesterday. After this, what we did, we created one pipeline. Inside this pipeline, what we have configured, that this pipeline should execute dev job. And when we created this QA pipeline, during what we have mentioned, that once this dev is completed, then QA will run, right? So this is the order. This is the number one. When we trigger the pipeline, automatically what happened? Dev job is triggered. It fetches the code from the dev branch. It will deploy the code into 8081. After the completion of 8082, automatically this QA job executed. It pulled the code from QA and it deployed into the EC2 server, QA Tomcat, which we called. So most probably this is the yesterday's diagram. If you see here, what is happening here? This is the pipeline. When it triggered the pipeline, there was one job. It triggered. This is the diagram. How you can see, it will become green. Then after that, dev job is done. Then what happened? QA automatically deploy. So whatever the changes we did in GitHub, those are automatically deployed. Okay. Till now you are good, guys, right? Any difficulty to understand yesterday one concept?
No, sir.
All good, right? Okay. Now, guys, as we know, what is our today's topic? Ideally, Tomcat default port number is what? 8080. Okay? And Jenkins default port number is also what? 8080. If something we need to think always only one software is running on one port number. We cannot run two software or more than one software in one machine with the same port number. So that is what we are trying to do in previous sessions. We used to change the Tomcat server port number, like something 9090, something 8081, even. Okay? But we did not change the port number of what? Jenkins. We did not change the port number of the Jenkins. Okay? So credential wise also we observe that which file we need to touch, where we need to configure the credential, like we have use admin, right? Something. So today what we need to do is we need to change the port number. Okay? Now, 1 second. Yeah. So if you forgot Jenkins password, then how to recover it? This is how to recover. Okay. So how we can recover it? We have where we need to go. Go to slash var, then lib, then slash Jenkins. Then we have to go config.xml file. Okay. This path we have to go. Okay. And we need to. There is one tag. There is one tag. What is the tag name? Guys, this is called tag. Huh? This is always tag. Okay. Always data is there between the tag. Remember, this is the format. Okay. So, what is the tag name? User security. User security. So, same name will be there, but it will be in a closing way. Let me add here. It will be like slash. So, this is open tag and this is close tag. Example I am giving. Okay. So, here, whatever the value is there, we need to make it as a false. Then we don't require password and restart the Jenkins and try to access. After this, what we need to do? Restart the Jenkins, restart the Jenkins and try to access. Okay. So guys, let me start my Jenkins. Where is my Jenkins? Where is my Jenkins? This is Jenkins, right? This is Jenkins. One server only, right? Let me restart this and let's check. It's running, right? It's running. Let me now copy this. This is not required. But I paste here. What is the port number? 8080. Meanwhile, meanwhile, let me connect here. This is Jenkins 11th May, right? So we will check whether is the file. Let's go inside Jenkins. This is what 11th May. Right. Second. ठीक है, we are able to log in. अच्छा, we are checking the status. So enabled. Jenkins continuation loaded. Okay, it is enabled. Okay, I believe this is the path. It's fine. Control C, EI, space, read the file. Are you able to see this path? Are you able to see this path?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So where is that part? User security, come down. User security,
Sir, up.
upside. Yeah, that is security. I'm checking user security. This is Hudson. See this here, user security is there, right? What do you need to do, guys? You need to make it what? False. Once you will do it false, save it, then you can able to log in without credential. Let me try. One second. Escape, colon, WQ. Read. Okay, we have only read only, guys. We will make it changes in this file later. Okay, no problem. Let me come out of this file. Escape, colon, quit. No right since last time. Yeah, escape, colon, WQ. Let's again try. I'm not able to come out. Control C.
Sir, exclamation.
Yeah. Okay. This is false. ठीक है. Escape, colon, WQ. Escape, colon, QA exclamation. ठीक है. So we will see that how we can make that file writable. So, but we need to change the file because we are working with that security part.
Sir,
Then second part is, sorry,
so sudo will work now with that.
sudo will work, but this file is readable, na? If I, we are saying sudo vi.
Yes, sir.
Try insert mode. Escape, WP. Yeah. So now this file is changed, right? Again, let me do up arrow. Yeah, it is changed, right? Now let's see. Escape, colon, WP. Okay, escape, colon, W, Q, exclamatory. Okay. So now this field file is changed. Okay. Now let me come back to our, these are our notes. One minute, guys. Just a minute. That's it. One second. What is the command base? Where we are paste here. It is enabled, right? Active. Same way we can how to stop this? Just stop. And to stop, make it only stop. Or we can restart also. Copy this. See, paste here. Yeah, Jenkins stop. It is done, right? Now let me again start the command start Jenkins. Copy this, right click, paste here, enter. What is the how to check the status? Activating. It is activating. It is not yet activated. Now it is running. Directly able to log in, right? Did it ask username password?
No, sir.
Directly, right? So that way we can, if we forget the password, this is one of the approach. Okay, now. So this is the tag. Okay, we try to access again. So if you forget the Jenkins password, okay? This is the step we need to do. Now, what about port number? Next is how to change the Jenkins port number. Jenkins port number. So what we need to do is go to root directory, then go to etc folder /sysconfig, sysconfig, then open Jenkins file and change the port number and restart Jenkins server. Restart Jenkins server. So where is our EC2 instance? Let me stop this server first. Let me stop this server. Oh, sorry, not request. Control C. Where we need to go? vi etc /sysconfig. That is the correct only. VPC config. One second. Let me check. Yeah. Web slash lib slash system d slash system slash Jenkins dot service. User lib system d, then system. Let me use the sudo. Copy this, paste here. Sudo vi usr lib system d system Jenkins dot service. Why it is not there?
The slash
Yes.
for user USR.
We should control colon, colon, slash. All right. So this is the port number, guys. Environment Jenkins port number, right? See, this is the port number. Insert. Let me give the port number 9090. Jenkins. No, 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 no. What was this? 8080. No? One second. This is not the one. Somewhere Jenkins port number is there. One second. Unit Jenkins Java var lib, ठीक है, var फाइल, ठीक है, environment d java tree to port number. This is the one, guys. Is that we did the correct only? Is just now we see that, right? Indian port number. I was just this is, let me make it 9090. Escape, colon, WQ, enter. ठीक है. How do you restart Jenkins? Stop the server first. Stop Jenkins. The unit file source console file or dropping a Jenkins change on disk run system ctl devons reload to reload unit. Let me check the status. Up arrow. Okay, fine. It is stop. Control C. Again start. Enter. Okay. System daemon reload to reload unit. Okay. Copy this. Copy. Control C. Sudo. Right click. Paste here. Enter. Now start. How to check the status? This is the status. It is active. But what is the port number? 9090. Is it wrong?
Security group, sir. We have to change security group also, no?
One second. First, let's check 8080. Is it taking 8080? It is still taking 8080. It means something. It is not taking 8080. Yes, then security group. I'm here. Security. Again, let me check. Yeah, it is not taking. So we need to open. But 9090 is open now. This is Jenkins, right? It is taking Jenkins only. One second. Where to change code number of Jenkins in Linux Ubuntu. Initiative. Default. This is the path. Let me go to this path and do the changes. Come here. Control C. Paste here. Jenkins. Enter. This is the file, guys. One second. Then we need to go HTTP port. Where is the HTTP port? This is the port, guys. Let me press I for insert. Okay, now. Let me do 909090. So what is the path? This is the path. Okay. Let me keep in notes. We will revert the changes what we did here. 9090. Then what we did. Then change the port number to 9090 and then save. Save. Um,
Or use Control X.
I'm doing the same only. And then why only what? I'm trying to get out of this file. Now fine. Yeah. Port number is changed. Okay. Restart the command. use this, paste here. Now it is restarted. What is the port number? We are giving 9090. It is not working. Let me give 9090. So if we forgot also now, we forgot also, no need to worry. Just we should also know how to Google something. Okay. We should be able, this is the step to change the port number. Let me copy this in our note section better. Okay. This is the step we need to follow. Steps to change the port number. This is first step. This is second step. This is third step. Fourth step. Then restart. Okay, it is working fine, right? Are you comfortable? How to change the password and how to change the port number, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, next topic is we have how many branch guys here? One concept is there. Let me explain you the concept. This is our GitHub, right? This is our GitHub. This is our GitHub. This is our second part. This is another branch, and this is another branch. Think in this way. What happened? This is your S3 bucket. This is your S3 bucket in AWS. One requirement I am telling you. And let's say, let me Control X. And this is your dev branch. This is your GitHub dev branch. Git dev branch. And this is your Git QA branch. Okay. And these are the developers. These are the developers. What happen is, here the code is there. No problem, code is there. This code is supposed to work in particular environment only. This is inside some environment only, right? This is some environment. AWS account is there inside. This is your AWS account. This is your AWS account. This is your AWS account. And there are certain configuration that this code should talk to this S3 bucket. This code should go. This S3 bucket code only will work in environment, not in local. This is his local environment, developer local environment. He is using his laptop. He is using his laptop. This is his laptop, right? This is his laptop. So from his laptop, what he trying to do, he's trying to test one functionality. He did some coding, but some piece of code is not working. Some piece of code is not working. That particular piece of code only will work when that code is in that particular environment. Let's say dev environment, QA environment, or prod environment. Okay, that particular piece of code. So, but today what happened? So what this guy will do to test his code? He need to deploy the code in the server, na? Ultimately, he has to move the code into the server. For doing that, first what he's doing, he's taking the feature branch, right? He's taking the what? He's taking the feature branch, right? He's taking the feature branch. He took the feature branch, fine. He took the feature branch. This is the feature branch. Feature branch, what is mean? Why feature branch? Feature means some work is doing. He has some feature branch. In that feature branch, he will move the code. He will move the code. Now code is there in feature branch. Means in that particular environment, code is there. From that environment only, he will move the code into server. he will move the code into the server. From where? Feature branch. This is the feature branch. Okay. Then he will test that code, whether this functionality working or not. Then from this code, this server, whatever the server, this war file is there, na? War file is there. This war file is nothing but code. Inside that code is there, right? That executing. That is going to work. And functionality will be working fine. But every time, do you think that every time he will do this branch manually? He will add that branch manually? Because multiple developer will be there, right? Not only one developer. Not only one developer. There may be multiple developer will be there, right? There will multiple developers. So do you think every time they will not they are going to use the same branch? The branch should be dynamic. He is working on feature branch. This guy will working on some other feature branch, right? Let's say this guy is working on this dev branch. One guy is working on feature branch, right? So in that situation, the branch should be first I am talking about branch. The branch should be dynamic. When we are in Jenkins, when I am having this pipeline, let me go inside this pipeline first. Dev job. Let me go inside this pipeline. Fine. We have when we configure this pipeline, what happened? During that, we have provided GitHub URL, right? In this pipeline. Yesterday, we have provided GitHub URL, right? And the branch name. Branch name we have hard coded. Remember the word hard code. Hard code means something we are just manually. Always it is going to take that value, not dynamically. Let's just open. Come to GitHub. This URL we have given. This username password already we given. Now, what is the branch name I am giving, guys? What is the branch name I am giving? Main. Always. But do you think that there only one branch will be there? No, no. What will happen? There may be n number of developers. There will be n number of developers. 2 developer, 10 developer, 3 developer, right? Like this. Let's say there are this is one developer, this is another developer, this is another developer. Okay, this is your GitHub. This is your what? In short, this is your GitHub. From GitHub, multiple branch will be there. Let's say master branch is there, main branch is there, feature branch is there, right? Staging, any prod branch, something. Prod branch, release branch, we can call. The release branch is there. What happened? This is Tomcat server. This is nothing but your Tomcat server. This is your Tomcat server. This is your Tomcat server. Now inside this Tomcat server, what happened? One guy did the changes where in this 2 developer, let's say developer, feature branch they are doing. They are doing some feature branch, and let's say some R&D branch is there or some other branch is there. Let's say dev branch is there. This is dev branch. Okay, dev branch. This guy, what is he is doing? He is doing dev changes in dev branch. Okay. Now what happened? Automatically deploy using Jenkins. Na? Where is our Jenkins? Jenkins is here, right? This is our Jenkins. This is our Jenkins. Jenkins, when we are having the branch, then it take the branch, right? It take the branch. Like for example, if it is pipeline is like this, something. If it is a pipeline leak like this, it will deploy, right? But that particular pipeline we need to trigger. That is our understanding. We are doing the build, here a job, here is a job 1, and here is a job 2. What is the requirement of job 1 or job 2? To take that particular branch and trigger that and deploy this. But are we in the position to keep that branch dynamically? No, right? So for this, what we will create, let me create one branch also first. This is my GitHub, right? Let me create one branch. Let me give some dev branch. Create a branch dev from main. I am creating one branch directly from GitHub. Now see what is the branch name? One is dev and one. How many branch you are able to see now? I just now created 2 branch, main and dev. It means there are 2 branch. It means how many branch are there? 2 branch. So let me go to dashboard. Now 2 branches there. Try to observe. What I need to do? Dynamically. Now the GitHub URL will be dynamically. Because when it is a dev, only dev, dev code it will take. When the branch job is related to, see this, if I will trigger this pipeline, what will happen? It will take dev code only. If it is a QA, it will take QA code only. But I don't want this. I want, let me run one server also to show you. Come to instance. Server is running. Meanwhile, I will create one job. Let's say dynamic job, dynamic branch job. I am giving dynamic branch job, creating on freestyle. Click on OK. Dev Tomcat is there. Dev is there. QA is there. Let me. Okay. Let me start dev. One instance is fine for me. I am starting because I require Tomcat server now also. According to our diagram, I believe yesterday, what was our Tomcat port number? 8081 dev. Remember this. Okay. Meanwhile, this server is running. Let me connect this also to start the server. Connect. Can I start the server? Let me do first check. ls cd apache Tomcat server cd bin folder. Then we are in Apache Tomcat. Then what is the command? /startup.sh. Tomcat started. What is the port number, guys? This is the port number. Sorry, this is the IP address. And what is the port number? :8081. 8081. See, it started. Let me go here. I believe admin. Not now. There is a file already deployed. This is the code, right? Let me undeploy this. Okay. This is the URL we need to configure. Okay. Now, what is our topic? Dynamic what? GitHub. You come here. First, we need to give this is the main URL. Copy this URL. Paste here. Okay. Credential. What is the credential? This is the credential which we have given. And after this, 1 second. GitHub. This project is parameterized. Add parameterized. This choice, which parameter? See, when we create it, there is an option. This project is a parameterized. Are you getting? We need to select what kind of parameter I need to give. Add parameter. It is a choice parameter or string run parameter, password parameter, something. Choice parameter, when we create the pipeline, it will give just choice. For example, I am giving choice. I am taking one choice. Okay? I am giving some name. Let's say I am giving some header. What is the header name? Branch names. Branch name I am giving. Okay? Branch name I am giving, and here I am giving some. How many branch are there? The name of the branch, main and dev. I am giving main, and the next is dev. Okay? This is the two choices we have given. Till now we are good, right? Come down, come down. After this, we have given what? Repository your credential. Okay? It is also not required now. This is also not required. It's fine. Branch already we have given, right? Let me now. After this, what we need to do? Build step. What we are giving Maven target, Maven goal, clean, install something. We need to do deployment now. And what is the where is Maven goal? Did we selected Maven? 1 second. Master, then trigger, then this is invoke top level Maven, goal clean install, host bill app. What we need to do? Deploy. Where we need to do? What is the format? /star dot var. What is the server name? Copy this. Or let me copy vk dev. Something branch I'm giving. What is the container name? Tomcat, right? Select that Tomcat. What is the URL? This is the URL. What is the credential? We have given previously. So it is coming. Save this. Let's see what will happen. There is no deployment here, right? Now tell me guys, what option is coming today? Build with parameter, right? It is asking some parameter. Let me click here. Let me click here. When I click here, now see, main branch or dev branch. What it is asking? Tell me. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, in the configuration, we can add whatever our branch name also. Okay. And we can pass that. For example, I am taking dev branch. Let me build this. Maybe it may fail because let's see. Ideally, it should not fail. What happened? Oh, one thing we did miss. One thing we missed, guys. Go to configure again, project dynamic branch configure. One more part we required. Sorry, my bad. Everything is fine. Only one thing we need to pass in that master. Na? There we need to pass some tag. Okay, come down. Till now, this is everything is fine. Where is branch specifier? This is wrong actually. It should be star slash dollar and it is in curly braces branch name. Are you getting? Means what it will take? What it will take? It will take the branch from where? From here. Whatever the name we are giving, na? So it will look dynamically from here. That is why star slash dollar. Then what we are giving? Branch name we are giving. Till now we are good. Any doubt here? This is the important part. Let me save this now. Now let him build with parameter. Jenkins is about to shut down. Let's see. Actually, we did one changes also in this service. We need to check. We need to revert maybe. Let's see. One thing we did earlier wrong. Port number. Maybe if it impact, we will see that. If it runs successfully, we don't do any changes. Build is in progress. Okay, the build is already in progress. Come here. We have make some changes. Come here. This changes without while doing port number, we will revert that changes first. This is our Jenkins. Paste here. Enter here. Oh, sorry. Control C. Escape colon QA.
The slash before US.
No, this is where we change na. This is our wrong actually. BI paste here. This was wrong na. Sysconfig somewhere we had done the changes, right? Remember, right? I'm trying to get that file. Escape colon QA. If you remember, guys, right? When we are doing to do some changes, we go to this directory and then change the password, right? That was our wrong step, na. So I am trying to revert that change actually. VD paste VI paste here.
Sir, etc default Jenkins.
Sorry,
Sir, etc default Jenkins.
rather square colon QA VI. Wait 1 second, let me go up. We have because right now where we are able to see that this is the command first we did. Everything is fine. Started. No problem. Let me do history. Where is there? What we did today is we can check like this. Whatever the command we have gone through today. So this is yesterday command. This is yesterday command. Sysconfig, right? I think. Yeah, sys command is there. VI etc slash sysconfig. New directory. It is a new directory.
Use slash before etc.
The chat is disabled.
Enable the chat. Skip. Okay. This escape colon QA enter paste here. This is the one, right? Somewhere we have made the changes. Slowly we will come down. Where is that? Let me know. Where is somewhere we make it 9090. Just no, not this one, guys. Not this one. This is our correct one only, not this one. After that, it was asking for what? Reload, na? That file I am checking. This daemon reload we did, right? It was asking for daemon reload. Before this user, we did something, some changes. I'm looking for that file. Is it this file? Let me copy. I believe this is the one. Paste here. Config file. No, this is also not the one. This is security folder. Okay, let's see. Escape colon WQ. Control C. QA. One file is there. I'm not able to look at that file. We did some file changes. Because of that, this is not reflecting, I believe. Deployment is not done because of this. Build is in progress. Whether this build is failed or not, let's see. Because it shut down, right? It shut down. Let me go. Jenkins is about to shut down. Creating. That is what my issue is. Yeah, it's not a problem, guys. What we did is that is our build with parameter is our today's topic that we are able to do. And you know how to, if this option will come, then just you need to trigger the pipeline how we did yesterday. Meanwhile, I will try to figure out that issue. I need to revert that changes. Okay. I will check and revert that change. Okay. Are you good? How to create this one?
Yes, sir.
No issue, right? This build is in progress and but it shut down because while doing the code changes, we did something. I did something. Because of that, it was asking this command, daemon reload. So instead of making changes in this directory, so I had changed the port number in another directory. And because of that, this is shutting down. Okay. So I will revert that change and we will run it tomorrow. Then we will get the output. Anything someone pasted? Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. Hope you guys understand everything. You are able to watch that recording also, right? Previous recording. where we do end-to-end deployment, right? Everything.
Yes, sir.
You are able to do practice.
Yes, sir.
So today what we have seen, how to change the, if we forget the password, how to log in into Jenkins dashboard. Second thing, how to change the port number. And third thing, how to give the branch name dynamically. These three things we have did today. And tomorrow we will try to close Jenkins. Okay. This master slave configuration. If time permits, we will do it in tomorrow or maybe maximum 2 sessions. Okay. Then we will close Jenkins. Okay. We will see tomorrow. I will upload the recording. Previous session recording is also there. You can watch the recording as well. Okay. Thank you for your time. Tell me,
Hi,
sir.
sir. Very good morning. Sonu
Tell
here.
me, sir. Tell me, sir.
Sir,